Hi everyone, welcome back to Magnetic Mobility channel. Do you feel that? It's the excitement in the air because today is the day that we announce the winner of our September giveaway. But first, if you're new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out on our giveaways, product reviews and all sorts of fabulous content. Stick around because not only are we revealing our lucky winner, but we've also got some amazing announcements that you definitely don't want to miss. So are you ready? Let's dive in. First off, let's not keep you waiting. The winner of the September giveaway, where you could pick either a 4-in-1 magnetic or a copper bracelet from our stunning €55 range is, drumroll please. Okay, congratulations to our lucky winner, Andrew. We'll be in contact with you shortly, Andrew. If you didn't win this time, no worries. Our October giveaway is already live. Just go to our website, which I'll link below, magneticmobility.ie/pages/monthly giveaway to enter. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. And a quick tip for our email subscribers, just wait for the end of the month email. Click on it and you're automatically entered into next month's giveaway. It's that simple. Also, if you're looking for plans this month, come and join us at the Ideal Home Show in the RDS in October from the 20th to the 22nd. We'll be at stand R70, and hey, we even have a blog post with a link for free tickets, so make sure to check that out. Time for our monthly catch-up. We're thrilled to welcome 3 new Stockists this September. A big welcome to Jeremiah Higgins in Claremorris, County Mayo, to Valentine's Gift and Coffee Shop in Leixlip, County Kildare, and to our very first stockist in Northern Ireland, McCloy's Chemist in Kilree. If you're looking for your local stockist, check out our website. I'll leave the link below as well. And before we go, remember to stay tuned to our social media accounts for our special announcements and offers coming your way. Happy October, everyone. Until next time, stay stylish.